This is only a small taste of what is to come. No, not really. Well, actually, yes. What we're going to be doing today is we are going to be doing something very fun. We're going to be working with a few fireworks. Yep, fireworks. These are not ordinary fireworks. These are made of TNT. Don't try this at home or in survival because you will die. You'll die a horrible death. Okay, I'm just gonna turn it to super flat. Presets. I really just want overworld, redstone. That's just an easy one. Okay, yeah, this will work perfectly. It doesn't need a seed, so let's get started. So yeah, wonderful little world. And the first thing I'm going to do here is just time set night. And you will see why I'm going to be sleeping here in a few seconds. I'm also going to turn this to peaceful. No more nasties. Okay? I was just going to sleep in this bed because I might do it in survival once. So first thing I'm going to do is obsidian. Yep. And redstone torch is going to go right here away from the TNT so I don't accidentally light it up. And the first one we're going to do is just a very basic model. Yep. TNT Firework. Fun to watch, not so fun to buy. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to leave a hole right here and then do this. And that's the basic setup. Now, watch and learn. Watches. TNT everywhere. You see why I put that bed there? Because I'm going to do it once in survival, just to demonstrate the less desirable effects of doing this in survival. It's a terrible, terrible way to die. It's also a stupid way to die. Don't do this at home. I won't try this at home. It's a horrible idea. So you die. I mean, you can do it in survival, but it's a horrible idea. Now, this one, and there's going to be in every other pattern. As you can see, there's TNT, empty space, TNT. So what I do here is, see, I do a full layer, full everything, and then every other layer, filled in the middle. And then after that, I do the same thing. Oh yeah, I forgot to do that. I do the same thing. I just put one on top of it. So now we got a slightly bigger one. And once again, it's going to spew a lot of TNT. So let's do this one now. Let's go. And this bed has miraculously survived. So yeah, this is a great griefing tool if you are just like griefing. And so now, okay, I'm just going to make a little bigger platform so I can do a little bit bigger detonation. As you can see, it sort of just builds up. So, like, I pattern's a little more obvious this time. And trust me, these things really big pictures. I don't know. Pretty sure this one's gonna kill off my bed. This again. Then, last but not least, and so this one is a lot bigger than your average one. So now, goodbye world. Yeah, my bed did not survive that. Once again, great griefing tool, and as you can see, there's sort of a pattern here. You can go up and up. No, I'm gonna just do them. This is the biggest one I've done, and it's a heck of an explosion. Trust me. Yeah, the picture at the very beginning of the video, it's that one was the thing you just witnessed. Yep, I caught it with a screenshot. So yeah, it's the most destructive of yeah. And this won't actually be the last one. We're gonna have to sit through one more build, but it'll be the second string one instead of the very first, the very first one I showed you. Not gonna be that one, but the second one I showed you. I'm gonna do it in survival. I'm not gonna build it in survival, but I'm actually gonna light it off in survival and show you the devastating effects of trying that. No, I don't want to do that. Yep. This is the biggest one. This is like the atom bomb of Minecraft, you know? Total destruction of everything. TNT and a lot of time, but if you're going for displays, it is worth it. It's totally worth it. I can see why I chose something with actual depth, because I wanted to show you the real extent of destruction. And I also wanted a flat area. Yep, that's why you do an obsidian platform, because you can imagine what would happen if you let this off without something. It would leave a crater. You'd have to constantly move as to not have to build a crater. Just trust me that it's pretty hard. Yeah. Okay. But okay, yep, yeah. I hope this isn't too boring, but yeah. Okay, so this is like the grand finale, but not really, because I'm gonna do it in survival mode afterwards. And so, as grand finales go, this is a big one. And so, let's destroy it. Ka-bam! Pretty glitchy, unless you have a really buff computer, but there's not too much lag. No. Okay, I'm moving that away. I'm moving that away because it scares me. Okay, now I'm going to get a bed. Go ahead and turn it to night. So I can sleep in it. Okay, now it is the very beginning of the day. Oh no, I broke my bed. Old habit. So sorry about that. Slash time set night. There. Thank you. Just let me sleep. Thank you. Oh yeah, by the way, I changed my skin just a little bit. It's a horrible time to mention it, but I did, and it's a hoodie Enderman. It's also a flaming hoodie Enderman. I find it a very nice skin, but yeah, it's not going to be permanent. It doesn't really go along with my Diamond Eye theme. But anyways, that's not really the point. 5, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, the grand finale. This isn't going to blow up much, but it's not going to reach that bed for sure. So, I'm gonna do something. Okay, slash game mode 0. I'm now in survival. Final TNT. Let's see the effects. Not gonna be too spectacular, but and the it did 0 hearts of damage, but it absolutely the fall damage itself killed me. That is I'm a failure. Yep. Okay, so as you can see, that killed me very well. It's a very efficient way to die if you want to be spectacular, destroy a lot of stuff. So don't do this near your house. Whether in Minecraft or real life, it's still a stupid idea to do. It's a fun, creative thing, but otherwise, if you're in survival, you can use it to destroy stuff. It's a random way to do it, but it works. So I hope you liked it. So this has been Jacob from the Diamond Eye, and I will see you next time. Goodbye, everybody on YouTube, and oh no, I'm dying. Yep, okay, so hello, goodbye, and see ya.